Hey, what's up guys? David Rishka here with the Success Keeper, and I'm here every single day creating brand new videos for you to motivate you, inspire you, to help you with online marketing. Did you hear about the guy who used to be a banker but he lost interest and he got fired from his job? Anyways, it was a stupid joke. And in today's video I want to talk about free leads and how to get a free leads, okay? So every online business owner knows that there are two types of leads. You have paid leads and you have free leads, okay? So paid leads could be anything from like Google ads. You create an account on Google AdWords and you post ads on Google and you're gonna get leads from that, okay? From posting ads. You can buy solo ads, you can buy ads, you can pay for ads on Facebook, or you can advertise on LinkedIn, for example, or even Twitter. And those are all paid advertising methods where you get leads. Okay, but I'm not gonna talk about paid leads today. I wanna talk about free leads and how to get free leads, because a lot of people who start their online business, they don't have big budgets and they don't have that much money to invest into marketing. So what I highly recommend, the highest thing nowadays is, as you know probably already, social media. I highly recommend to pick one social media. It could be YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. Pick just one and focus to master that one social media. I recommend a video. Video is really big right now, and it seems like it's not gonna stop growing. Okay, a lot of more and more people are watching videos on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, so it's very popular. So I highly recommend focusing on one of those methods or one of those social media platforms, okay? And once you do that, so that's the first step. Create an account with one of those if you don't already have one, and master how to post daily on that platform, okay? So number two is post daily. This is critical. You have to make post every single day. Some people do twice or three times a day or even more, but I highly recommend to do at least once or twice. And over time you're gonna build a following, you're gonna build your own tribe by posting daily content, by giving people value every single day. It could be something like educating them or creating content that will help them in one way or another. It depends on what they are looking for, okay? There is a lot of people who need help with something, whether it's how to make money online, or how to lose weight, or how to get back in shape, or anything else. You know, you can find millions of people with different problems, or some people want to learn how to play golf, you know, or some other sports. Whatever it is that you specialize in, if you have any specialty, or if you are involved in some type of business, I highly recommend to pick one platform and post daily, at least once or twice a day. Create content, and over time you're gonna build a following, okay? Number three is call to action. Every time you post a content or create some kind of value for people in content, or it could be a blog, video, or some kind of post on Facebook or YouTube, make sure that at the end of the video you do call to action. Tell people what you want them to do. Leave a link below the video, or leave a link below the content that you created, and tell them, hey, go over here, click that link for more information, and there is gonna be another video or another web page where I'm gonna show you and expand and spend a little more time on explaining how this really works, okay? So call to action is extremely important. Tell people at the end of your message or content that you created to subscribe to your channel, to follow you or to like you, okay, stuff like that. That's what I mean by call to action. Also, when you post daily content, it's extremely important that you educate them, entertain and empower them. So one of the first thing is make your videos or content or posts interesting so people don't get bored reading or watching you, okay? A lot of people nowadays have ADD. Somebody said that people nowadays have shorter attention span than a goldfish, which I believe, because when you look at somebody, for example, sitting somewhere on the bench or even walking down the street, they are doing like multiple things at a time, you know. You don't even see anymore somebody just sitting still and looking at the surroundings. Everybody needs to be like on their phone. Everybody's on their phone and they are doing 5 different things on their phone. So you make sure that your content is interesting so you grab their attention, okay? Then your content should be also educational. Give them some value, give them something that they're looking for. If they have any problem, show them how to solve that problem. And empower them also, okay? In that video or post or blog that you created, tell them that it is possible that if they stay consistent and don't quit and follow that system or your advices, they will eventually become successful and reach their goal. But the key is to not to quit, okay? A lot of people quit because they don't see any results within the first week or 2 weeks or a couple months, and they decide that they don't it doesn't work for them for some reason. A lot of people who subscribe to the company that I'm involved with, or even other internet marketing companies, they don't even take any action. They subscribe, they pay the membership fee, and they don't even log into their profile or account. They don't even log into the website, and then they expect miracles, like bag of money is gonna fall on their head or something and make them rich. But you gotta take action. You gotta take at least one step forward every single day. Create content, educate yourself, you know, stuff like that. Empower your followers, people who subscribe to your channels or follow you on Facebook. Make sure you create positive messages for them and empower them. Tell them that it is possible to achieve their goals. If they ask you any questions, need your help, try to be there for them, answer as many questions as you can, and honestly try to help them solve their problems, okay? So this is what I wanted to cover today. How to get free leads. The best way to get leads nowadays, I'm gonna go over it real quick again, is free. Paid is the best, but for free, create social media account. Pick just one so you can spend the most amount of time on it, because a lot of people, they create Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and they post a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit over there, and they don't see any results because they don't spend enough time posting a good content and focusing on that one social media platform, okay? So pick one, create posts daily, create some content daily. Make sure you educate, entertain and empower your followers, and include call to action at the end of your messages, okay? And then fourth step is just collect your leads, okay? Collect your leads. They will go to your autoresponder, and you're gonna send them emails on daily basis or every other day, whatever you choose, and that's how you're gonna start making money online, okay? But that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the button below this video, the subscribe button, and I will talk to you tomorrow with my another video for you guys, okay? Thank you for watching. This is David Rishka with the Success Keeper, and I will see you tomorrow. Success and freedom, my friend. Take care.